Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, another delivery from eBay. Wanted to do a quick unboxing. This is a Lionel 8351 Alco diesel locomotive. Now, I picked this up on eBay for $10.50. So, really curious to see what kind of condition it is in and if it runs. These diesels are usually very expensive. Anyway, I found this one cheap, so not expecting much. Let's see what's in here. Paperwork. And here is the locomotive. Alright, now this is going to be interesting. Lionel 8351 Alco diesel. Similar to the Mark 6000. Wrapped well, that's for sure. Wow. Alright, there it is. Let me get this packing out of the way. So, Lionel 8351 in less than perfect condition. Motor is really stiff. Wow, really stiff. But it appears to be complete. It is absolutely filthy, as you can see. But there's no great amount of damage to it. Let me pull the camera off the tripod and get a shot of this. Alright, let's see how we're doing here. So, Lionel 8351 Alco diesel. Now this is the first Lionel diesel that I've owned. And as you can see, this thing is just absolutely filthy. So whether it's going to run or not, I have no idea. It's been stored someplace for years and years and years, as you can see. Missing one of the rollers, but that's easy enough to fix. Main question, of course, is going to be, will it run? This thing is just, I don't know if you can tell in the video, this thing is just absolutely filthy. It's just covered in grit and grime and genuine dirt. Looks like it's been stored in a garden shed or something like that. Alright, let's put it on a rail and see what happens. I'm really doubting this is going to run, but you never know until you try. Okay, we are on track 4, I believe. Alright, power is on. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Nothing at all. Dead as a proverbial hammer. Like I said, this thing has been sitting for decades and it is just absolutely filthy. And, well, there's a big glob of something stuck in that motor right there. Carpet fiber, very likely. Anyway, $10.50. I was the only bidder on this. Like I said, it is just absolutely dreadful condition. Lots of rust, covered in dirt. This thing's been sitting for years and years and years. So I'll have to lubricate the motor, scrape this contactor, and then take it from there. But like I said, these Alco diesels, these Lionel diesels, are usually expensive. And in this case, $10.50. Well, we've got some movement out of it. Amazing. Buzzing anyway. That's always a good sign. So, in any case, just want to do a quick unboxing video on this. Now it's just a matter of, can I get it running? Like I said, it is just absolutely filthy. There's no appreciable amount of damage to it. It doesn't appear. It's complete, or appears to be, but you can see this is rust, and like I said, it's covered with dirt, so it looks like it's been stored in a garden shed. And this is genuine dirt. This is gritty black dirt. Anyway, I just want to do a quick unboxing video. We'll see if we can get this thing up and running. Going to be interesting to see if it will run, or if it'll do anything at all for that matter. Anyway, I was the only bidder on this, $10.50. And we're getting a buzz right there. So, like I said, that's a good sign. Anyway, I'll go through it, get it cleaned up, take it from there, but I wanted to do a quick unboxing. Santa Fe 8351 Alco Diesel. $10.50 on eBay, and I was the only bidder on this. So we'll see how this goes. Anyway, I just wanted to see what it was actually going to look like. And I knew in the photos, there wasn't much of a description, but the photos told a pretty good story. This thing is just absolutely dreadfully filthy, as you can no doubt tell. So we'll go through the motor, see if we can get this up and running and take it from there. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.